Assalamu alaikum. CS Certificate Level Information Technology, Chapter 3, Lecture 3.13. This lecture covers the topic Semiconductor Storage Device. Semiconductor or solid state or SSD or flash drive. These are similar type of storage devices. Now we shall discuss about the characteristics of this device. It is most modern and fastest growing storage technology used in solid state drives, SSDs, SD cards, and flash drive USB stick. Different types of semiconductor devices are USB drive or USB stick. It is a compact portable storage device having a built-in chip that enables it to replace and store data. Next category is MMC, multimedia card or memory card or SD card. It's a tiny storage device typically included with smaller electrical and computer controlled devices like cell phones or digital cameras. These are the categories or types of semiconductor, solid state, SSD or flash drives available in modern technology. Now we shall test our learning outcomes through some MCQs. Number 1, USB stick is magnetic storage device or semiconductor storage device. Which one is correct answer? USB stick is magnetic storage device or semiconductor storage device. The correct answer is B. USB stick is semiconductor storage device. Next question. Commonly, the material used in manufacturing semiconductors are silicon or iron. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Silicon. Commonly, silicon is used to manufacture semiconductors. Next question. What type of memory is used in flash drives? NAND flash memory or DRAM, dynamic random access memory. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. NAND flash memory is used in flash drives. Next question. What is the primary advantage of SSDs over traditional HDDs? Higher durability or faster data access speeds? Which one is correct answer? The primary advantage of SSDs over traditional HDDs, whether higher durability or faster data access speeds. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is B. Faster data access speeds is the primary advantage of SSDs over traditional HDDs. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of SSDs? A. High energy consumption. B. No moving parts. Which one is not a characteristic of SSDs? Correct answer is A. High energy consumption is not a characteristic of SSDs. Next question. What is the role of the controller in an SSD? A. To provide power to the SSD. B. To manage data, read or write operations and error correction. Which one is correct answer? The role of the controller in an SSD, whether to provide power to the SSD or to manage data, read or write operations and error corrections. The correct answer is B. To manage data, read or write operations and error correction is the role of the controller in an SSD. Next question. Write endurance in SSDs referred to the ability of the SSD to retain data when powered off. The total amount of data that can be written to an SSD before it fails. Which one is correct answer? Write endurance. What is write endurance in SSDs? Whether The answer is the ability of the SSD to retain data when powered off, or the total amount of data that can be written to an SSD before it fails. The correct answer is B. The total amount of data that can be written to an SSD before it fails is write endurance in SSD. Next question. Which type of NAND flash has the highest write endurance? A. SLC, single level cell, or MLC, multi-level cell. Which one is correct answer? Which type of NAND flash has the highest write endurance? SLC or MLC? The correct answer is A. SLC, single level cell, has the highest write endurance among the NAND flash. Next, what is oil leveling in the context of SSDs? A method distribute write and erase cycles evenly across the main memory cells, or B, a feature of enhanced data encryption. Which one is correct answer? What is oil leveling in the context of SSDs? Options: A method distribute write and erase cycles evenly across the main memory cell. Option B, a feature to enhance data encryption. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A method distribute write and erase cycles evenly across the main memory cell is oil leveling. Next question is, which of the following interfaces is commonly used by SSDs for high-speed data transfer? A. PCIs, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, or option B, SATA, Serial Attachment. Which one is correct answer? The question is, which of the following interfaces is commonly used by SSDs for high-speed data transfer? Option A, PCIs. PCI means Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. Or option B, SATA. SATA means Serial Attachment. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. PCIs, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express interface, is commonly used by SSDs for high-speed data transfer. The last question of this episode. The main function of trim in SSDs is option A, to reduce the SSD's power consumption. Option B, to help the SSD manage free space more efficiently. Which one is correct answer? The main function of trim in SSDs is option A, to reduce the SSD's power consumption, or option B, to help the SSD manage free space more efficiently. The correct answer is B. To help the SSD manage free space more efficiently is the main function of trim in SSD. That's all. This is the end of this episode. Thank you very much.